I've been a busy boy. This probably this year's long-term project. I've kind of unofficially joined the System 80 Owners Club. Now, I know such a thing doesn't exist, but I've been working on a while for getting a hold of one of these machines. I've ended up to get a beauty of an example. Now, this one's a rarity in the UK. I've not gone kind of the orthodox route. I've kind of gone very unorthodox route. This, I was looking for a System 80 machine for so long and it's so expensive, just out of my price range, but managed to find this, and I'll show you what it does now. At the minute, it's got a bit of a problem. As you can see, there's something not quite right with the power supply. Now, that's the minus 12 volt that's missing. That won't affect the booting, it'll affect you playing it. I think it's got something to do with the switches, but it shouldn't affect the actual operation of the machine as far as booting up and starting. If I grab a hold of this. Now, very dark, very dark. Hold on. Got a floodlight here. That's to be a bit tricky to do with one hand, but never mind. The machine's in absolute mint condition, and there's not even, I don't know if you see that, but the board's been repaired before I get a hold of it. There's not even a battery on it, which is an advantage. I'll just turn this power supply off in a minute before something blows up. But anyway, it does need some work doing to it. There's a, you probably just pick that up. I don't know if I can zoom me in here. I'm trying a new camera, so you need to bear with me. You can just about see that there. There's a capacitor missing there. The capacitor was fried. There's a chip missing off the CPU board, but we'll get to that in a minute. The processor itself is quite good. It's in very good condition actually. So, let's see if we've got all the outputs disconnected. When I first turned it on, nothing happened. Just a flashing watchdog light. So, first thing I did was change the RAM, and that actually got me some activity. It got me to the point where the watchdog light was going out, and then that's the revision 4 board, so the IO enable light. The IO enable light was going out. Still didn't get me a boot up though, so I started cleaning the ROM sockets and the ROMs. Cleaned the first one. It got the watchdog light and IO enable lights going out. Still nothing happening. Cleaned the second one. Started getting a bit of real jitter. Still not meaning anything boot up, but actually discover why. It's going to be very tricky to do. Hope I don't drop it. Can you see? Go back out. You see what the problem is? That's ROM there. It's missing a leg. The chip itself is alright, but it looks like somebody's been in here before and attempted to repair it and done a complete bulge up. So, oh, something weird I noticed about this machine. It can't actually take money. It's actually set up not to take money. There's base lights there. There's a board. Excuse me. I can smell that 12 volt regulator burning. As I said, needs a bit of work. Turn off. There's a board in the back there. I think that does the job of the payouts. I'm not quite sure how it works. It's a rat's nest power supply, unfortunately. Bit confusing to work with. I checked these fuses and they're all 8 amp. But they're 8 amp at 32 volt they're marked. And they look like absolute monsters. I'll just show you one of them. Look at it. You'd probably connect it to the national grid and it wouldn't blow up. You'd be as well sticking a nail in that hole. So I need to do something. I need to check that that's right. But anyway, for safety's sake, I've got all the lamp outputs and pace slides and everything disconnected. Some other weirdness I've not seen in UK machines before. One is there's a button up there for some reason, and there's a couple of extra switches. So I need to figure out what those are. I've actually got the manual information pack for this, so, but I'm not revealing the name of the machine. I probably won't reveal the name of it for a while. So, ooh. Oh yeah, that's the old RAM. Look at the legs. See when I changed it? Pretty bad. Pretty dead. Although I don't know, maybe I can save it. So, that's kind of what it looks like at the minute. Jobs to do. Replace that capacitor. I don't think there's going to be anything to do with that. Well, maybe that PAL chip there needs a little bit of work. But that's alright. I've got a programmer that can read those PALs. That ROM there is my utmost priority. That's essential. Machine's not going to boot without it, and I won't be able to, I can't even dump the ROM or read it or copy it until I fix it like. So, how to do it? Well, I'll be revealed in a second. Right, I hope this is not blowing out because I've got a floodlight work light here sort of thing. Alright. That's a bit better. Right. That's a PCB off a Scour CNC machine. These things. It's a programmable logic controller of some sort. But anyway, how are we going to save it? I still mean to try this. I use this for spares most. I've only just started using it, but I've got about 4 of these somewhere. Anyway, I've taken a 24-pin socket off there, machine pin socket. You see, I've stacked it onto that socket there. What I'm going to do, I need to remember I'm holding the camera off the one side here, silly idiot. I'm going to fit that into there, flux the hell out the sides of it, put a wee wire or something where the pin's missing, then solder it all up solid. That'll give me a repair chip in a turn pin socket, which will then connect to the, then plug into the socket on the ROM board in the machine. And hopefully that will save this. And once I confirm the boots, or at least, I mean, I'm not confident the machine's going to boot straight off, but once I'm confirmed the boots, I'll get this into my Dataman programmer, and well, hopefully I'll be able to read it, and the information is still on there. Can you read what the name is? Maybe. Oh yeah. You can read the label faintly, but that's the only clue I'm giving you towards the machine yet, because yeah, I'm Scottish, I'm a slicket bastard. Alright. Okay, that's all I've got time for now. Alright, do you like my work light? Yeah, it's going to make making these videos a lot handier. I picked the camera up for £30. I'm not using the phone anymore. I'm getting I'm getting better control and much better resolution with this. I mean, you can almost get right down. I mean, I am right down on top of the chip there. It's ridiculous the level of resolution I can get with this thing. And I can zoom in and out as well. Very handy. I can make you dizzy if you want. Yeah, you can go back and forth. Yeah, make you feel a bit sick. Yeah, yeah. Never mind. But anyway, you get the idea. And yeah, if anybody's wanting any Z80 parts, I've kind of, like I said, I've got 4 of these, so yeah, but I might even get the better one of these out and have a crack at seeing what these actually do. It shouldn't be, I don't know, it won't be impossible to do some with these, actually. Come on, thank you. I need I need that socket off the end there. What's that, a 20x32? It is. Yeah, I need that 8x socket off there for another project I'm doing, and more on that later. Anyways, I'm going to get on with working away. Bye for now. Alright. Here we are. I just want to tack this onto the end. That's what you end up with. Not the cleanest job in the world. My flux pen was all gunked up. But it's on there. And more importantly, if we just rest that there. I'm not used to doing this with one hand. I don't know if I'll be able to do this with one hand, but if I sort of rest. Come on. I just want to get on that pin. So rest that there. There we go. Broken pins repaired. See? Good continuity between pin and chip. So, now the reason you put it in another socket is because all the pins will move when you solder it. I found that out to my peril at one point. You see how the socket's a wee bit melted there at the top. But the object of the exercise is to get that chip with the weak legs into this turn pin socket so we can then try it in the machine, which I'm going to do shortly. So I've got ROM 2, the second ROM reinstalled there. I've also got the third ROM done. Unfortunately, it's not good news. This may have to become a bit of a custom project because I'll show you what it does now. And the reason for it is I put the ROM through my JPM programmer and ROM 2 is dead. It's completely open in pin 24. Took it out, resoldered it, it's still dead in pin 24. Used my Dremel to fill a little bit of the ceramic back. Measured it on a resistance check on my multimeter and it's completely open. So, yeah, it's actually ROM 3, sorry, not ROM 2. Third ROM. Tricky to point to things now. That one there. So, I verified my logic probe that the buffers, the PAL, everything's working. If I can get the third ROM for this, then it should be fixed. Or, there's another option. It's not too hard to work out how to drive this thing. This board's just an enormous parallel port really. So, maybe I can come up with something to, as faithfully as possible, run the machine like it was running the original. Or maybe have a lot of fun with it. We'll see what happens. It's not impossible that I can get it going. See, I'm just waiting for... I put a few queries into a couple of people I know, and I'll just need to wait and see if the ROM images turn up. If they turn up, I'll get a 2532. In fact, I'll get a full set of 2532s. Reburn the program and go for there. Alright, I'll keep you posted.